Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be checking out the best cordless electric lawn mower you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and update pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Greenworks Twin Force Cordless Lawn Mower. This Greenworks Twin Force Cordless Electric Lawn Mower is an excellent solution for keeping on top of smaller lawns, and its battery ensures that you get the job finished every time. It is lightweight and compact, making it comfortable to maneuver without relying on a cord, and easy to store when not in use. The dual mower blades are strong enough to deal with thick grass without putting too much pressure on the battery life, and its Smart Cut technology will identify just how much power is needed for a sufficient mowing job. The push-button start is another great feature that totally eliminates those strenuous memories of yanking the pull chain just to get your older mowers started. Key features: G-Max 40-volt ion battery powers multiple tools. Smart Cut technology, dual blades for better cut quality. Ideal mower for mid-sized areas. Specification: brand Greenworks, model 25302, weight 42.5 pounds, dimensions 29, 2 by 20, 7 by 19. 5 inches. Pros: all pieces of equipment are light and easy to maneuver. Start and stop instantly. Sturdy and durable material. Cons: slight learning curve for the equipment. Struggles with thick, wide blade grass. No self-propel option. Number 2. Snapper XD Cordless Lawn Mower. Our premium selection for the very best cordless mower is Snapper's mighty 82-volt machine. It comes with 2 Briggs & Stratton 82-volt max lithium-ion batteries and the rapid charger to keep it juiced up to the max. It provides the rugged power of a gas mower, but without the need for refills and oil spills, while also being lightweight and easy to handle. This self-propelled cordless lawn mower does the hard work for you as you take a stroll around the yard. The Snapper XD mows as it goes using smart load sensing technology. The 21-inch steel mowing deck with the 3-inch-1 design allows you to choose whether to mulch, bag, or side discharge grass clippings. Sure, it's on the pricey side, but if you have a larger or hilly lawn, this is the tool for the job. If you're in the hunt for a mower for big lawns, you may also want to check out our top picks for the riding lawn mowers. Key features: as much as a 45-minute runtime with 82-volt lithium-ion battery. Smart and efficient load sensing technology. Push-to-start feature. 7-position height of cut adjustment. Specification: brand Snapper, model 1687884, weight 90 pounds, dimensions 35 by 24, 2 by 18, 3 inches. Pros: fast charge time, long life batteries to complete whole yard. Whisper quiet operation. Cons: prone to clogging when mowing damp grass. No low battery indicator. Difficult to turn in self-propelling mode. Number 3. Greenworks Pro Cordless Lawn Mower. The GLM 801602 is one of the top models of Greenworks' range of cordless mowers, and it brings with it some vast improvements from cheaper models. 80-volt batteries, a brushless motor, larger deck width and a steel deck are just some of the improvements over previous models. But does it do what it's meant to? These 80-volt batteries provide some serious power to the motor and give it the grunt it needs to mow even in the toughest of conditions. Just be careful when buying the GLM 801602, because some packages come with 2 batteries, which I seriously would recommend avoiding if you value a decent run time before needing to charge your batteries. We also love the quick charge time of these batteries. In just 1 hour your 4 battery will be fully charged and ready to go again. Lash out and buy yourself an extra battery and you can keep swapping them and mow all day. The digitally controlled brushless motor means that if anything is going to go faulty on the mower, it shouldn't be the engine. Wear and tear is reduced due to its brushless design, and the power it provides will rival most gas-powered mowers. I wish these mowers were around when I was a kid. I would love to take it apart and fit the motor into a homemade go-kart. It would rocket along. But, in all seriousness, This mower has enough power to tackle almost anything you can throw at it. While the power levels of the Greenworks Pro 80 volts cordless mower are huge, the noise levels aren't. In fact, this mower is quieter than your standard home vacuum cleaner, so you won't annoy your neighbors when you are mowing just before dark when it's nice and cool. A common problem with some cheaper models of battery-powered lawn mowers is that they feel cheap. It's kind of hard to explain because there is nothing actually wrong with them. They just feel like if you decide to run into that stone feature in the center of your yard, they will snap in half. Well, this is not the case with the Greenworks 80V model. It is manufactured with higher grade plastic and the deck itself is steel. The axles and wheels are also much stronger than previous models, and you should have a problem with them bending or breaking. Pros: powerful motor that handles almost anything. Good battery life. Quick battery charge time. Feels nice and sturdy. Easy to maneuver despite its weight. Cons: heavier. Auto throttle, slow to respond. Number 4. Works WG779 40 volts cordless lawn mower. The Works WG779 is a reliable and relatively powerful cordless lawn mower. It's not the most powerful lawn mower on this list, and it doesn't have the longest battery life, but it has a few key benefits that might make it the lawn mower for you. Firstly, it has space for two 20 volts power share batteries, which are included with the mower. That allows it to cut around 5,500 square feet on a single charge. Plus, if you own any other Works 20 volts tool, the batteries are interchangeable. We also like the fact that the handle is padded with foam to make it comfortable. If you've ever used a gas-powered lawnmower with a metal handle, you know how quickly your hands go numb. It's designed for small gardens and has a 14-inch cutting deck and lightweight body to make it easy to move around. Key features: 2x 20 volts power share batteries, cuts 5,500 square feet on a single charge, foam padded handle, 14-inch cutting deck, IntelliKit technology, adjustable handle. Specification: brand Works, model 779, weight 35.3 pounds. Pros: comes with 2 batteries, adjustable and foldable, easy to move around. Cons: battery life isn't that long. Number 5. Sunjoe Iron 16LM cordless lawn mower. The Sunjoe Iron 16LM cordless lawn mower is an off-rails, cost-effective mower that is designed to do a specific job. If you have a small yard and need a mower that is quite small and maneuvers easily, then this one may be exactly what you are looking for. A brushless motor is a great addition to this little beauty, and it actually has reasonable power on such a small mower. The noise level is very low and won't disturb even the most annoying of neighbors. The Sunjoe mower is the lightest in our best cordless mower lineup, weighing in at just over 37 pounds. So, as you can imagine, it is super easy to maneuver around the yard. It does only have a 16-inch cutting deck, and while this does seem very small when compared to other models, you wouldn't be buying this mower if you had a huge yard to keep under control. Our one complaint with its size is the small grass bag, which did require emptying often. It was also a bit of a pain to fit back onto the mower. Storage of this mower is a breeze, with it folding up to take up a much smaller footprint. Great for those of you with limited storage space. Sunjoe have even added a carry handle on top of the mower body to make it even easier to carry around when it is folded up for storage. This would be really handy if you had to carry it up and down stairs. Electric lawn mower cordless. The build quality is reasonable and what you would expect from an off-rails cordless mower. It does feel a little flimsy, but we believe it is more about keeping it as light as possible. Pros: very light and maneuverable. 4 raw battery included. Brushless motor is great. Cons: grass bag size is a bit small. Grass bag is difficult to fit. Feels a bit flimsy. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for the link to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.